Hey guys, and welcome to another episode. I'm that car guy, Tim, here with Mayor Carl Houck. You're the mayor of Bruderheim, and Bruderheim is home to the Bruderheim Meteorite, and today the Model T races.
Absolutely.
And so tell me about the action that's happening today.
Oh, it's going to be an amazing day. We got beautiful sunshine. We got fantastic folks like Tim out here today. Amazing amount of cars, and the track is in beautiful condition. The Model T races are looking forward to getting out into the track and burning around the track, and there's going to be some tremendous times, and we're really excited. It's great for our town to showcase itself, have an event like this, and we're so thankful for the Hott family, Matt and Ken and Cassie and their friends and volunteers. It's just amazing.
So tell me about the history of Model T races in Alberta. This goes back all the way to the 40s during World War II.
Yes, yeah, Tim, you're right. It used to be a big thing in Alberta. In some parts of southern Alberta, they're still doing racing, but in the Edmonton area, it died out in 1951. I saw a picture from Borden Park in Edmonton in 1951. That was the last time that races like this were held in the Edmonton area. It's pretty exciting for our community and for the area, really. You know, this is great. We're getting great support from folks like yourself and the radio stations and TV stations promoting this event. And it's the second annual, and it's already twice as big as last year. It's amazing.
Absolutely. We got lots of ground to cover, Mr. Mayor. Beautiful Bruderheim day. Let's go check out some cars.
Right on.
Let's go. Alright, I found Nels and his 1952 Chevy Styleline Deluxe. This car is absolutely gorgeous, Nels. Tell me about it.
There isn't obviously too many of these left on the road because people collected 55, 6s, and 7s. Those are the classic Chevys of that decade. But I found this car in Lethbridge about 15 years ago, and I'm the third owner. We've only put about 15,000 miles on it since I bought it because we only drive it in the summertime.
So this car was purchased back in Medicine Hat. I saw the dealer plate.
It was originally owned by a farmer in Medicine Hat, Alberta, and he had it for some years, and he passed on, and a fellow in Lethbridge bought it, and he had it for quite a few years, actually. He had it repainted in '89, oh, wow. and I bought the car from him in 2002. Okay. And so we haven't done really very much to it. It's a driver, you know. It's not a vehicle that we trailer around from show to show at all. We're not afraid to drive it on gravel roads, and so that's. You know, old toys, old boys, and you don't leave a lot of rubber on the road when you leave a stop sign because it's very, very basic 6-cylinder from 1952. And the transmission, standard 3-speed on the tree, no power steering. It came out of the factory with no signal lights, of course, no seat belts, no radio. You know, I have to say the original... Going back to the original owner, in being a farmer in '52, farmers would never pay to have a radio put in their car. They would say, "What do we need that for?" So it took me about 5 or 6 years to find the proper radio to fit in here.
There's cars here from every era, from Frasers to Kaisers to T's. There's everything here. Man, Bruderheim sure knows how to put on a show. Alrighty, I'm here with Barry, and Barry, you're running a frame with wheels.
Well, pretty much, I guess.
And that's pretty much every race car around here. Is frame, wheels, motor, steering wheel, that's about all it. And a seat helps too.
Yeah, seat helps, yeah.
Tell me about your T.
It's a 1922. I traded an old truck for a bunch of Model T parts, and someone told me this one should run because it turns over, so messed around there, pulled the head off, blew the oats out that the mice had brought up for the exhaust, and cleaned her up a little and got her running, so.
Right on, and you're running gas tank for passenger?
Yeah, gas tank for passenger, yeah.
So if someone came up to you and said, why Model Ts? Why not an A?
I don't know. They're just cool. I don't know what it is about them. There's just a cool factor to a Model T.
Right on. Awesome. Well, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Good luck in the races
Yeah,
today.
you bet.
Well, those T's think they're fast. This 27 supercharged with the Pontiac. Now this one's quick. Man, there's a lot of beautiful cars here, like this Kaiser Vagabond. Beautiful cars, a great day to race Model Ts here in Bruderheim, Alberta. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm That Car Guy, Tim. If you want to see more cool stuff like this, subscribe and then head to patreon.com/thatcarguytim and make a pledge. Hey, the more you pledge, the more cool stuff like this I can bring you. Thanks so much for watching. Have fun. Get her done.